Hey there, Christopher Thunder here from the world's dirtiest workshop. I'm here in my backyard again, all itchy from all this stuff flying around. I am going to change the line on my weed whacker for the first time in three days. 3 days. Yeah. Now, under normal circumstances, with any other typical head on a weed whacker, you're changing your line out every time you mow the lawn, which is ridiculous. Sometimes twice. So in a month, you might have changed the line on your weed whacker 6 or 7 times. Yeah, during the growing season in Texas here, yes, yeah, you changed it out that much. Now, what I have here is a 3-sided head. Don't forget to remove the battery when you're doing this. I have a 3-sided head. I'm going to flip it over, where the line is bent over. Now, I don't want to break the battery end here. Now, I have some line here that doesn't match this line, but it is adequate. It is roughly the right thickness. So what I'm going to do to extend the reach of this line is to remove each one of these and try and put on some more line. Now, the thing I like about this unit, is the removal process is dirt simple. My wife got into this problem and she said, hey Chris, the line's jammed. I can't deal with this. It's really upsetting me. What am I going to do? Well, I tried it. I couldn't get the line completely repaired. I could not. I couldn't clear it. I couldn't fix it. I couldn't do anything. So I'm going to stick this line through this little tiny pivot point. I'm going to bring it out to the edge of the trimmer and snip it right there. Now, you can look at the difference between the line here. That's another 2 inches here. So I'm going to continue changing out the line here pretty easily with my bare hands. Now that's pretty impressive. If you can change out line like that at that speed, you're doing pretty good. You're doing stuff industrial grade. You are. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take this, take it to about there, and then snip it. I'm just going to fold that line in there. The thing I like about this is you don't actually have to pinch the line to fold it. All you need to do is get it measured, find the center of it, stretch it out right. Sometimes you'll be a little off the first try, but that's pretty good. That's the center of it. And that's that. Now, let's do a third one here. Put the line through, take it up. I'm only pushing it through one hole. Find the middle, bring it back through, and make sure that it's centered. That is not centered. So I'm going to push it through again, pull the line back through, one more time. There we go, that's not bad. And we're just going to snip this just short of that. So check your work. Over here, even it out if you have to. One more time. Yeah, that looks right. Okay, so that is head trimmer line replacement on this new designed head. Gotta love that. I really do. So that's why I didn't move the camera, because that's where that's going to be. 3 days. 3 days on the same trimmer line. 3 days before I even had to trim that out. Now, the only reason why I lost the link there was because I ran into a steel cable. It's the only reason why I'm changing the line out today. Yeah, that's amazing and a time saver. Really wonderful stuff. Thanks for watching me, Christopher Thunder, from the world's dirtiest workshop. Bye-bye.